So it's not every day that I come across items like this, things that are genuinely useful. And these right here are battery powered hand warmers. And I've been using them like crazy this year. I grabbed a few different sets. This is the one I'm just going to show you today. And it's basically what I said, a battery powered hand warmer. So you ever thought about those hot hand things where you break open the pack? This one has a battery, charges via USB-C, and then you can just power it on and you can hold them in your hand, put them in your pocket, put them in your coat, and so on. And you can just warm up when it's really cold out, there's a power outage, or anytime you need heat. They're super light, slim, and they last like 8 hours. So you're gonna have heat for a long time. And these things heat up fast. So I've got a heat gun here, and I'll just point it so you can see. Has the little laser, but it's hard for you to see. So you can see right there, we're at 29.8 degrees Celsius. Let's switch it to Fahrenheit so you can see that as well. 85.5 on that one, and 85.2, 29.4. So turning them on, pretty simple. This one here, you just press and hold. You'll see the lights. So it's going to start heating up right away. You have three options. You can see the lights, and you can already see we're at 34 degrees here and 94. Look how fast this thing is heating up. Like, it's moving. And that's just how fast you're going to feel warmth with these. Remember, we were at about 85. We're already at 103 here. And they get pretty hot. So I'm going to let this one heat up here while I talk about this a little more. It comes in the box with a dual USB-C charger. I don't have it with me, but basically they charge with just any USB-C charger plugging in, like so. And like I said, it comes with a dual, so just imagine another wire here so you can charge both and then plug the other end to any kind of power brick or USB port that you have. Cool thing about these two is you can connect them and then you can hold them and you have heat from both sides. So it works good like that as well. And the three settings. So this one is the one that's heating up already. So I'll show you here. I'll just power this one on, press and hold, power it on. You'll see the little light, and pretty much, for myself, I keep it usually around 1 or 2. I found that 3 was extremely hot with the bare hand. In gloves, I always go to 3. And that's pretty much all there is to it. I can already feel the warmth. Like, it's that fast. 85, remember? And we're already at 106. This one here is at 136. And it'll probably get a little bit warmer than that. Yeah, it's still climbing. So the longer you keep it on, the warmer it's going to get. And you got 8 hours of heat. Obviously, it's 8 hours of heat probably on the lowest setting, but I've never had to use them for 8 hours. I had it for like 4 hours and it was good to go. But this one right here, like, it's enough. Like, I can't, it's to the point where it's like too hot. But when you're out in the cold and you've got gloves, that's what you need. You need that warmth to penetrate through your glove, through your coat. Good to put some of these in your inside pocket of your jacket too, so you can feel the warmth, maybe even in your pocket on your pants. But I mean, these are a must-have for anyone. Survival at home, if the power goes out, if you live in a colder climate, or you just need some extra heat, this is there for you. Great if you have kids. Obviously, do your due diligence and caution, because this is too hot for a child at number 3 here. So just make sure you're watching them and they have gloves and other things on wherever they're sitting. Lastly, just a precaution, they do say this on their post, but basically they say they're hand warmers designed for hand use only. Avoid prolonged direct contact with other body parts, skin, to prevent low temperature burns. But it does get pretty hot at that. So let's see where we're at here. Just a few minutes, and we're at 133, 129. So it's about 130 is what you're going to get on max here. And that's warm enough. Like, if I held my hand on this barehanded, that's too hot for me. So check them out. Definitely something I think everybody should have, especially if you live in a cold climate or if you ever run into a power outage and you don't have heat for a while.